things that I had mentioned. Now what do we find here? Yes, so here it is the format, okay, and this is the sample. You can say that in this way classified ads are drafted as well as published. So how do you find here? Situation vacant, okay, so the title comes here first of all, heading, this is also called heading, and remember the heading should be written in capital letters as it is written here in the sample, and then after this is called the content or body. So in this you have to put your message as short as possible, but the message must be clear enough so that the people who are going to read your advertisement may get benefits and may be attracted towards your products or services. So what is written further here? Wanted a small confident PA, means personal assistant, or stenographer also, that is also called a stenographer in another term, for a leading export house. Okay, so what is it in here? It is not in a sentence, understood? Only phrases are used here, but these phrases are clear phrases which can give the clear message. So wanted a small confident personal assistant. A small means here a small in height, okay, and confident means that person must be smart enough. Well, and what is the post? Yes, a stenographer, means not for the manager or not for the worker like that, but it is for a stenographer or personal assistant, okay, and for a leading export house. So who is going to invite? Yes, a leading export house, and after this there's a full stop, okay, and then after qualifications, this is demanded, and there's no need to write the qualification in sentences. Only qualification dash, this symbol is enough. And what is the qualification? Graduate. This is enough, okay. After that you should give a comma, and then after the next field comes, that is about the age, and what is the demand? Between 25 to 30 years. That's enough, and after that there's a full stop, okay. And further some extra information has been given, or through this something extra is demanded, that the person who is going to apply for this must possess such features also. So typing speed of that person should be 40 words per minute, okay, because the person who is along with you, suppose if you are the manager or the CEO of the company, you need a stenographer beside you, and whatever you are talking to the person or talking to the consumers, customers, or any party, okay, so you don't have the time to jot it down every time. That's why you appoint a stenographer, and that stenographer support you. He or she does not disturb you. Whatever you are talking, they just record. All right. So today we have something extra. Today we have the technology also. Whatever we are having, conversing or communicating, okay, or conferencing, that can be recorded. All right. But that time this sort of position was very much important. Okay, so after qualification and age, we need what? Some extra facility or typing, sorry, something extra in the quality, okay. So typing speed, after typing speed, we need what? Shorthand speed also, means 100 words per minute. All right. So after that, preference to those who can handle computer. So you know very well that this is the modern age, and this modern age without a computer is incomplete. So in each and every field we find a computer, and if you don't have the knowledge of a computer, then after your education is regarded nothing. Alright, so everything is dependent upon computer today. So more or less you have to acquire the information of, or the knowledge of computer. Okay, so there are two types of computer knowledge, one basic, another functional, and the third is advanced. So there is no need of advanced unless you have the requirement of programming or like that. Okay, so if you are going to apply for this sort of position, or you want anybody for this sort of position, basic knowledge of a computer, that is enough. Okay, so that is called DCA, diploma in computer application. So if you if the person purchase DCA, that is enough. After that, the main part comes, that is about the salary. And here what is it in here? Negotiable. Alright, so negotiable means here means if the person applies for that post, okay, if the person's qualifications or if the negotiation is perfect enough, then after the salary can be flexible, is flexible. Suppose if the company announces that the person will get 30,000 rupees per month, so if the company sticks to that commitment, maybe some qualified persons may not suit to that offer, and in this way the company loses a good hand. That's why good companies write down what? Write down, the good companies write down negotiable. That means according to or on the basis of your position, or sorry, not position, of your means on the basis of your quality or your talent, more or less can be given. Okay, and this is comes in the strategy also. Strategy means here that this is to attract the people, attract the talent also, because if you put the salary and the person who is in the demand of more salary will get back, okay, will go back and will ignore this advertisement. That's why they do not write the fixed salary over there, they write negotiable, so that more and more talents may come to the company. Apply with complete biodata by 20th December to this is the deadline, because the company needs the employee on time. That's why they write apply with complete biodata by 20th December. This is the deadline. Okay, and this is what? Biodata. So in my previous lecture I have taught how to write the biodata. Okay, so you may find out from there, from the playlist or from my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is important. If you have not understood, in upcoming videos I will elaborate how to write biodata. Okay, so remember, actually I should not suggest you, or I would not like to suggest you to say biodata. The better term for company is what? Curriculum vitae, CV, or resume. Okay, so you should speak resume. That looks better and that sounds better. Okay, and after that, which person is responsible for collecting your biodata or resume or curriculum vitae? Yes, that is secretary of this organization. What is the name of the organization? Yes, Orient Export House, and this is the address, T Nagar, Delhi. And after this, what is here? Yes, that is the phone number. So the phone number or the contact number must be given, because the person who is interested may have a conversation with you for further details or more information. Alright, and after writing such things, students, you have to close this message in a box. Remember, especially in examinations, it is strictly checked whether you have drawn a box or not. So after you have finished writing, you should draw a box, good box, okay, with a scale, ruler. Do not write or sketch with the hand. Sometimes students, they become lazy and they don't carry a scale or ruler in the examination hall, and they draw with a hand or keeping something straight. So but I would like to suggest you to carry a good ruler, so that you can give a good finishing. After this, students, you must know that you should conclude this within 40 to 50 words. This is the limitation for examination. Alright, so the examiners want you to write this thing in as less as possible words. Okay, alright, students, now we'll